Today, I would like to pay my concentration on bills of exchange. In this chapter, the main content of bills of exchange is number 1, introduction, number 2, definition, number 3, features of bill, number 4, parties in the bills of exchange, number 5, elements in the bills of exchange, advantages of bills of exchange, types of bills of exchange, and difference between bills of exchange and concerned law. Every human being engage in certain kind of economic activities, such as namely business. Business means number of inflows and outflows on regular basis, called as business. Or business is an economic activity directed towards the production of goods and services, marketing the goods and services in order to cater the needs of the public with profit motive, called as business. In business, goods can be sold two ways. Number 1, cash sales. Number 2, on credit. In cash sales, cash paid to seller, goods taken by the buyer at the same time. On credit, in case of credit sales, buyer gives promises to make payment after a certain period. In these circumstances, seller like to get an written undertaking from the buyer in order to receive the payment after a certain period. For this purpose, seller prepare written agreement and mention all the conditions relating to sale of goods, such as amount to be paid, place of payment, date of payment, etc., etc. All those conditions accepted by buyer by putting his signature. Such agreement or document or instrument called as bills of exchange. In the Negotiable Instrument Act 1891, may be defined the bills of exchange as it is a written instrument in writing, unconditional order signed by the maker, directed towards to pay certain sum of money only to the order of certain person or bearer of this person. We can observe about definition clearly. The following cash fixtures have been possessed by bills of exchange. Number 1, it must be in writing. Next, number 2, it must be unconditional order. It must be contain certain sum of money. Contains certain sum of money. Number 4, it must be clearly mentioned. Date of bills of exchange. It is an order, not request. It is an order, not request. It must be signed by maker. It must be accepted by drawing. It must have stamps. It must be stamped. These are the characteristics of bills of exchange. Now, parties in bills of exchange. Parties in bills of exchange. There are three parties in bills of exchange, namely drawer. Number two, drawee. Number three, payee. Drawer is a person who prepare or who make bills of exchange, called as drawer. Generally, seller of the goods on credit, called as drawer. Next, number two, drawee. Drawee is a person on whom bills of exchange has been drawn for acceptance, called as drawee. Generally, buyer of the goods on credit, called as drawee. Next, payee. Payee is a person who receives the money on bills of exchange on the date of maturity, called as payee. Next one, elements in the bills of exchange. There are several elements in the bills of exchange. Number one, elements of bills of exchange. Elements of bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. Number one, date and place. Date and place. Number two, amount. Number two, amount. Number three, terms of payment. Terms of payment. Terms of payment. Number four, grace days. Grace days. Number four, grace days. Number five, stamps. Number six, name of the drawer and drawee. Name of the drawer and drawee. Name of the drawee and drawee. These are the elements of bills of exchange. In business, in trade, there is a lot of advantages in bills of exchange. Advantages of bills of exchange. Advantages of bills of exchange. There are a lot of number of advantages in trade or to the business people through bills of exchange. Namely, it helps purchasing and sales on credit. Next, number two. It is legally valid agreement. Legally valid agreement. It have endorsement. It may be endorsement. It may be endorsement. It may be endorsement. It may be discounted. It may be discounted. It may be discounted. Next, it is a source of finance. It is source of finance. To the traders. Types of bills of exchange. Types of bills. Number one, time bill. Number two, demand bill. Number three, Number 4, accommodation bill. Accommodation bill. Number 5, inland bill. Inland bill. Number 6, foreign bill. Foreign bill. Time bill. Time bill means amount is payable on bills of exchange after certain period of time called as time bill. In this case, maturity date is always calculated by adding 3 days grace period. 3 days grace period. 3 days grace period called as time bill. Payment is made on bills of exchange on demand called as demand bill. Trade bill. Trade bill is a bill which is drawn for acceptance for genuine trade transaction called as trade bill. Accommodation bill. Those bills are drawn and accepted for mutual needs of financial requirements of drawer and drawee. Next, number 6, inland bill. In inland bill, it is a bill. It is drawn on the person who is residing in India, whether payment is made in India or outside India, or it is a bill drawn on certain person who is residing outside India, but payment is made in India only. Foreign bill. When bill is not inland bill, called as foreign bill. Start. Difference between bills of exchange and promissory note. Number of different parties. Parties. There are 3 parties in bills of exchange. Namely, there are 3 parties in bills of exchange. Namely, drawer, drawee, payee. Whereas in case of promissory note, there are only 2 parties, drawer and payee. Payee. Only 2 parties in promissory note. Next difference, drawer. Drawer. In bills of exchange, bill drawn by creditor and debitor. Drawn by creditor and debitor. In case of promissory note, bill drawn by debitor and creditor. Debitor on creditor. Next, number 3, difference, acceptancy. There must be acceptancy. Must be accepted. Must be accepted by drawee. Must be accepted by drawee. Otherwise, it is not treated as a bills of exchange. In case of promissory note, no acceptance is required. No acceptancy. No acceptance is required. Next difference, liability. Liability. The liability in bills of exchange of drawer is secondary. Liability of drawer is secondary responsible. Secondary. The liability of the drawer in bills of exchange is secondary. Whereas in case of the liability of drawer in promissory note is primary. 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 The liability of the drawer is primary in case of promissory note. Next, PE and drawer. PE and drawer. In bills of exchange, PE and drawer are both are same. In case of promissory note, drawer and PE is different. Drawee and PE is different. Next different. Noting charges. Noting charges. Noting charges. In case of bills of exchange, noting charges is mainly arises when bill is dishonored. In case of promissory note, no question of noting charges arises. Here, no question of noting charges arises. These are the fundamental differences between promissory note and bills of exchange. Of bills of exchange. Start. Specimen of bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. ₹1,00,000 stamps. Date, place, date 18/9/2020. Place Kurnool. Pay 3 months after. 3 months after date. Date to me or order of me. Order of me. Name of the acceptor. To Mahesh. House number 41/4-2, Kottapeta, Kurnool. Accepted. Signature. Mahesh. By Rajesh. Hyderabad. These are the specimen copy of bills of exchange. It containing sum of certain amount 1 lakh. Left side it must be stamps. This side and the date, place, pay 3 months after date to me or order of me. To Mahesh, house number 41/4-2, Kottapeta, Kurnool. Signed by, signature by Mahesh. Drive by Rajesh, Hyderabad. This is a specimen copy of bills of exchange. So, accounting. Treatment of bills of exchange. For accounting convenience, bills will be classified as number 1, bills receivable. Number 2, bills payable. payable. Bills receivable. When drawer draw a bill and send acceptancy for drawing, it must be accepted by drawing, then it is get back to drawer called as bills of exchange, called as bills receivable. Bills receivable is asset. It is a treated as asset. It must be shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Bills payable. Bills payable bill is a bill. It is an acceptable bill by drawee. It is a liability to the drawee. It must be recorded liability side of the balance sheet. Journal entries. Journal entries in the books of drawer. In the books of drawer. When bill is honored. These are the journal entries. Number 1. When sale of goods. Sale of goods. For example, X sold rupees 50,000 to Y. Time, date, time 3 months. Here X is drawer, Y is drawee. When goods have been sold by X to the Y rupees 50,000, the following entries may be recorded in the books of X. Number 1. When sale of goods. Y account debtor to sales rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. Next, number 2 entry. When receive bills from Y. The following entry will be passed. Bills receivable account data. Bills receivable account data to Y account rupees 50,000. When cash received from Y. When cash received from Y, from Y, cash account data to bills receivable account. Next, number 2. Stop it. Bill is discounted with bank. Following entries may be passed in the books of drawer. Cash account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. Next, when bill is endorsed to return, when bill is endorsed to the return, following entry may be passed in the books of drawer. For example, here A. Above example, X sold goods rupees 1,50,000 to Y. Here X is a drawer, Y is drawing. X endorsed to is creditor Z. X endorsed to is bill to Z, called as endorsement. Endorsement means transfer of bill from one party to another party, called as endorsement. The following entry may be passed. Z account data to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account 50,000. Stop. Bill sent for collection when bill is sent for collection. Stop. When bill is sent for collection, following entry may be recorded in the books of drawer. Bill sent for bank bill sent to bank for collection account. Data to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account 50,000. Illustration 1. Here, example 1. On 1/1/2020, Raju sold goods to Rani for rupees 50,000 on credit. He can draw a bill for 3 months. Rani accepted the bill and returned to the Raju. Bill is honored on due date. This is the illustration 1. Here, above problem, the following entries may be passed in the books of drawer named Raju. Entries in the books of Raju. Entries in the books of Raju. Bracketed drawer. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Format for general entries like this. Number 1, date column. Date. Number 2, particulars. LF, ledger folio, debit, credit. On 1st 2020, date 1/1/2020, Raju sold goods to Rani. Here, Rani is receiver. Receiver account always be debited. Rani account data to sales 50,000 debit 50,000 credit 50,000. Narration like this: goods sold on credit. When bill is drawn and accepted, same day 1/1/2020. Bills receivable account debtor. Bills receivable account debtor to bills receivable account debtor to Rani account 50,000. Bill accepted by Rani for 3 months. By Rani for 3 months. On due date. Due date means 3 months. From January 1st to 2022, 3 months calculated. Due date. January, February, March, April. April 1st plus 3 days grace period. That means 4/4/2020 is grace period. Due date period. On that date, Rani was paid entire amount to the Raju. So, in this situation, the following may be recorded in the books of Raju. Cash account debtor. Bracket or drawing. Following entries may be recorded in the books of buyer, namely Rani. Date column, particulars column, LF column, debit and credit column. Debit and credit. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, debit and credit. First entry 1/1/2020. Purchase account from purchase account data to Raju account 50,000 goods purchased on credit. Narration: goods purchased on credit. Goods purchased on credit. Second entry, same date 1/1/2020. 1/1/2020. Raju account when bill is accepted and sent to drawer. Following entry may be recorded in the books of drawing, namely Rani. Raju account data to bills payable account. 50,000. Bill accepted for 3 months. Narration: bill accepted for 3 months. Bill accepted for 3 months. Bill accepted for 3 months. Okay. Next one, last one. Due date. Due date, that is 4/4/2020. 4/4/2020. When cash is paid, the following entry may be recorded in the books of drawing, namely Rani. Bills payable account data. Bills payable account data to cash account. Cash account 50,000. 50,000. Narration. Cash paid on due date. Cash paid on due date. Cash paid on due date. This is the first situation when bill is retained in the drawer and cash received on due date from drawer. When drawer of the bill is needed money urgently, we have one option to discount the bill with bank for immediate cash. Bank may be deducted small amount discount. So here illustration 2. On 1/1/2013, Shankar sold goods worth of 30,000 to Bhaskar on credit and draw bill for 3 months. Bhaskar accepted bill and returned to Shankar on same day. Shankar discounted bill with bank for 10% discount on due date. Bill honored on due date. So this is the illustration 2. When bill is discounted with bank, following entries may be recorded in the books of drawer. General entries. In the books of entries. In the books of drawer. Namely, Shankar.